Hello friends. Today I am going to discuss about what Joe Biden win means to India. Democratic candidate Joe Biden created history on Saturday as he defeated President Donald Trump to be elected as the 46th US president. There is no denying the fact that many Indians wanted Biden to win the US presidential election because he chose Kamala Harris, an Indian origin American woman, to be the vice president of his government. Biden's election to the top post in the US is being watched closely by Indians, and that's why it is important to know what does Biden's presidency means for India. But if you're going further, kindly check out my previous video, Unemployment in India and Solutions, a unique solution to unemployment. I am sharing the link below. It's a sincere request to all. Like, share and subscribe in large numbers, both my videos, which will inspire me to come up with many more such contents. The channel name is Proactive Thinking. Help my channel grow. Now let us discuss about the Indian perspective. I have created some issues based on which I believe India US relationship will move further. I will discuss it one by one. First one is better ties with India. Much before he became vice president in the Barack Obama administration, Biden had advocated a stronger relationship with India. Biden played an important role both as chairman of the Senate Foreign Relations Committee and later as vice president in systematically deepening strategic engagement with India. In fact, in 2006, 3 years before he became the vice president of the US, Biden announced his vision for the future of US India relations. My dream is that in 2020, the two closest nations in the world will be India and the United States, he had said. Although Senator Obama was initially hesitant to support the Indo US nuclear deal, Biden led the charge and worked with both Democrats and Republicans to approve the nuclear deal in the US Congress in 2008. Biden was one of the key advocates of strengthening the Indo US partnership, especially in strategic areas. During that time, the US officially declared its support for India's membership in a reformed and expanded United Nations Security Council. This had been a key demand of successive Indian governments, which was fulfilled by Washington during Biden's term as VP. The Obama-Biden administration also named India a major defense partner, a status approved by the US Congress, which made it easier to share advanced and critical technology to India to strengthen defense ties. This was crucial since it was for the first time that any country was given the status outside of the US traditional alliance system. Next one is strong approach towards terrorism. Obama and Biden also strengthened cooperation with India to fight terrorism in each of their countries and across the region. Biden believes there can be no tolerance for terrorism in South Asia, cross border or otherwise. While there is not much he said during his time in the administration on Pakistan sponsored terrorism, New Delhi hopes that he will be carrying forward the legacy of the US administration's approach towards India Pakistan when it comes to cross border terrorism. But before going further, kindly check out my previous video, Unemployment in India and Solutions, a unique solution to unemployment. I am sharing the link below. It's a sincere request to all. Like, share, and subscribe in large numbers both my videos, which will inspire me to come up with many more such contents. The channel name is Proactive Thinking. Help my channel grow. Next one is strong position on China and Pakistan. Over the last few years, there has been a realization in Washington about China's aggressive behavior, and there is a consensus among the Democrats and the Republicans on China as a strategic rival and a threat. While the Trump administration has been extremely vocal in India's support in the last 6 months of the border standoff with China, New Delhi will expect a similar approach from the Biden administration as well. A Biden administration will also work with India to support a rules-based and stable Indo-Pacific region in which no country, including China, is about to threaten its neighbors with impunity. While Trump administration officials, including Secretary of State Mike Pompeo, had been attacking the Communist Party of China quite openly, Biden administration's language might be more calibrated. Next one is India will able to buy cheaper oil and gas from Iran. If USA lifts sanction over Iran, then India will be able to buy cheaper oil and gas from Iran. It will boost the Indian economy in a large way. Next one is immigration and visas for Indians, especially H-1B visas for skilled professionals and green cards. This has been a major concern for Indians under the Trump administration, as Democrats are seen to be more liberal on immigration. Biden is expected to be softer towards Indians who go to the US to study, work, and live there, and aspire for a better life. He has promised to support family based immigration, increase the number of visas offered for permanent, and eliminate the limits on employee based green cards. He has also promised to restore the naturalization process for green card holders. But as the Trump administration has tightened the rules, it may not be very easy for Biden to reverse some of the approaches adopted in the last 4 years. Next one is human rights. This is a major concern for the Indian government, which has got support from the Trump administration on the issue of Jammu and Kashmir. Although some US congressmen and women had raised red flags on the human rights situation following the revoking of Article 370 and Citizenship Amendment Act alongside the proposed NRC, the Trump administration had not taken any actions beyond making some hayward statements. But with Democrats in power, the Indian government can expect some tough statements from the Biden administration on these issues. Next one is global challenges and Paris Agreement. As seen during his election campaign, Biden is certainly expected to reach out to Indian Americans while addressing global challenges including terrorism in South Asia. He is also likely to take America back into the Paris Accord on climate, which will help countries like India, and it will help India to have the grant it requires so that it can convert to renewable fuels. At last, summary. Over the last 20 years, every US president, whether that is Bill Clinton, George W. Bush, Barack Obama, and Donald Trump, and the current Joe Biden, had differences on many issues. But if there was a common theme on which all of them agreed, was this: a stronger relationship with India. What that means is that there has been a tradition of a bipartisan support in favor of better ties with India, and every US president has made it better than what he inherited from his predecessor over the last 2 decades. So, to cut a long story short, there is no reason to believe that Biden will not continue this tradition. But of course, he will have his own style and nuances, and will put his personal stamp on the relationship. Before finishing, kindly check out my previous video, Unemployment in India and Solutions, a unique solution to unemployment. I am sharing the link below. It's a sincere request to all. Like, share, and subscribe in large numbers, both my videos, which will inspire me to come up with many more such contents. The channel name is Proactive Thinking. Help my channel grow. Thank you very much.